Ever wondered what makes Oxford Street so special? Well, it's not just a street, but a world unto itself. Imagine a 2-mile-long stretch of vibrant energy, teeming with a diverse array of stores, restaurants, and attractions. It is a bustling blend of the old and new, where tradition meets innovation. Oxford Street, nestled in the heart of London, offers a shopping experience like no other, boasting over 300 shops. From high-end fashion boutiques, big-name department stores, to charming bookstores and kitschy souvenir shops, there's something to satisfy every shopping enthusiast. It's a gastronomic paradise too, with an eclectic mix of restaurants that serve up a smorgasbord of world cuisines. But it's not just about shopping and dining. Oxford Street is a place where history, culture, and modernity intersect, making it a must-visit destination. There's a palpable energy that's uniquely Oxford Street, a spirit of ceaseless activity and endless possibilities. Now, let's delve into the heart of this bustling street. Opening. Oxford Street is a retail paradise. In the heart of London, Oxford Street unfurls like a ribbon of consumer delight. Here, amidst the hustle and bustle, you'll find a diverse array of stores catering to every whim and fancy. From towering department stores to intimate fashion boutiques, the variety is astounding. Take, for instance, the grandeur of Selfridges, one of the world's finest department stores. It's a one-stop shop, offering everything from high-end fashion to homewares. On the other end of the spectrum, you'll find chic boutiques such as Zara and Topshop, offering trendy pieces at a more affordable price point. But the retail allure of Oxford Street isn't limited to fashion. Book lovers will find solace in the quiet corners of Waterstones, while tech enthusiasts can explore the latest gadgets at the Apple Store. Each store, unique in its own way, offers a different shopping experience. The high-end department stores, with their polished floors and immaculately dressed salespeople, ooze elegance and sophistication. Yet the fashion boutiques, with their vibrant displays and upbeat music, exude a youthful energy that's hard to resist. And let's not forget the souvenir shops, sprinkled generously along the street. They offer an array of quintessentially British memorabilia, from Union Jack t-shirts to miniature replicas of the iconic red telephone booths. The prices, much like the stores, vary widely. While the department stores offer luxury items with matching price tags, the boutiques and souvenir shops cater to those on a budget. Yet, regardless of price, the quality of goods on Oxford Street remains consistently high. Customer service, too, is a key aspect of the Oxford Street shopping experience. Whether it's the personal shopping service offered by Selfridges or the friendly assistance provided by staff at the smaller boutiques, the focus is always on the customer. In essence, shopping on Oxford Street is more than just a transaction. It's a journey through a myriad of styles, tastes, and cultures. It's the thrill of discovery, the joy of a good bargain, and the satisfaction of finding that perfect item. Closing. Shopping on Oxford Street is more than just a shopping spree, it's an experience. Oxford Street is steeped in history. It began its journey as a simple Roman road, a vital artery connecting the heart of London to the rest of the empire. Over the centuries it transformed, mirroring the city's growth, from a rural path to an urban thoroughfare, and ultimately, into the commercial hub it is today. As we stroll along this bustling street, we encounter landmarks that echo its historical significance. The Marble Arch, once a royal gateway, now stands as an iconic symbol marking the start of Oxford Street. Further along, the All Souls Church, with its striking spire, whispers tales of a bygone era. But it's not all ancient history. The Selfridges building, a masterpiece of Edwardian architecture, houses one of the world's finest department stores and serves as a testament to Oxford Street's commercial evolution. The history of Oxford Street is a reflection of London's rich and diverse past. Oxford Street has a few surprises up its sleeve. Beyond the bustling shopping scene and historical landmarks lies an array of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Tucked away are museums that house treasures from around the world. The Wallace Collection, a stone's throw away from the hustle and bustle, is a haven of art and culture. With an impressive array of fine and decorative arts from the 18th and 19th centuries, it's like stepping into another era. Galleries, too, offer a quiet respite from the busy street. The Photographer's Gallery, a short stroll away, is a hub for contemporary photography, showcasing innovative and thought-provoking works that make for a delightful detour. Even nature finds its way here. Cavendish Square, a tranquil park nestled in the heart of the city, is an oasis of calm amidst the urban jungle. It's the perfect spot to relax and recharge, or simply enjoy a peaceful picnic. And let's not forget about the pubs. The Flying Horse, one of the oldest pubs in the area, is a hidden gem in its own right. With its traditional charm and friendly atmosphere, it's a great place to unwind after a day of exploring. These hidden gems add an extra layer of charm to Oxford Street. They invite you to delve deeper, to look beyond the obvious, and to discover the many facets of this vibrant and dynamic street. Oxford Street is a foodie's delight. This bustling stretch of London is a veritable smorgasbord, brimming with a delightful mix of local and international cuisines that cater to every palate. From the street corners to the elegant dining establishments, each food spot tells its own unique story. Let's start with the street food. Here, the quintessential British fish and chips reign supreme. Freshly fried fish cloaked in a crispy batter paired with golden chips is a must-try. Then, there's the traditional British pie, a hearty meal that brims with comfort. And of course, no culinary tour of Oxford Street would be complete without a mention of Britain's beloved tea. The aroma of freshly brewed leaves wafting from the numerous tea shops is an experience in itself. But Oxford Street's culinary scene isn't just confined to local delicacies. The street is a melting pot of flavors from around the world. There's the vibrant Indian cuisine teeming with spices and rich flavors. Chinese food, with its diverse range of dishes, offers a taste of the Far East. And then there's the Italian fare, replete with pasta, pizza, and a host of other classics that have found a home here. Each of these culinary experiences adds a distinct layer to the gastronomic tapestry of Oxford Street. Whether you're a food connoisseur or a casual diner, the street offers a culinary journey like no other. The culinary delights of Oxford Street are a gastronomic adventure.